So the CDLI Makerthon is really one of the first of its kind. I think we wanted to explore how well we can mix edge AI, meaning something like a Raspberry Pi, and speech recognition, and then in particular for people with speech impairment, and build assistive technology devices. And we're just hoping to get a creative group of people together and build interesting assistive technology. So all of our work right now has been on top of Whisper models, and that's mostly because Whisper comes in a lot of different languages, and as part of the larger project that CDLI runs, we're working on a lot of local languages in Africa. So that's why we decided to do Whisper, and also it's an open source model that is widely used. As part of our program, we have fine-tuned the models to work better on non-standard speech, but also local languages. And those are the models that people have been using. So yeah, in each group, we had a person who had some different type of speech impairment, and they worked as a tester, but not really just a tester. They were the user for whom the whole team designed, right? So in co-design sessions, they defined together with this user what they wanted, what would help them the most, and then developed the product and tested it with them.
The first group, they were trying to come up with an app that, it is not an app, they have a difficult name for the whole thing, but first of all, it's offline, so the user can be able to use it while there's no internet, which is good because internet is not available everywhere and for everyone, and not everyone can afford it. Another thing is that the group I was working with, the first group also, the whole project, when you speak to it, it transcribes whatever you're saying without the stuttering. 1, 2, it has no time limit, so it gives me ample time to be comfortable and say whatever I want to say within my own time.
What brought me to participate in this makeover is that I have a speech impairment, and again, I really thank the developers and the organizers of this makeover, because the result of us, it's not a normal thing for people to think about us. Most of the time we've been left behind. No one thinks about us, but this is a golden chance to us. Being part of the designer, it was amazing because they could get recommendation from me. They could ask me, does this work for you? And then I could tell them what is best for me, and they could adjust to my needs.
The most meaningful part of it is how I came to find out that I can actually help myself with just an app.
No one without a disability can just sit at their desk and imagine what someone possibly wants and build that, right? So I think it is really a core aspect to co-design with them, to build exactly for them. And I think we've seen that really from the teams, that they build things that work specifically for them. I think what I was most amazed is the fact that we had 4 teams and everyone built a different solution, and a solution that I probably wouldn't have come up with. So just taking the creativity of 4 teams and 4 different users together and just building a unique implementation is amazing.